Hi, how are you guys? Last day something very sad happened with me. My LinkedIn account was terminated. Yes, I made so much progress with that account. I was posting stuff according to my and inspiration for my ideas. And most importantly, I got connected with different people from different places in the world, which I cannot even imagine to meet those people without the LinkedIn. But this sad thing happened with me. I'm telling you this because I don't want this to happen with you. I think the mistake was from my side because I just wrote one message, copied it, and I sent it to many different people because I want to initiate the conversation, but I cannot figure out. So, yes, that's why I did it. And I think the LinkedIn team thought that my account is operated by some kind of bot because of my behavior. And cherry on the top of that is that I didn't upload my profile picture because you know the reason. I don't want the people from my company to find out me. So I think these both were my mistake, but the LinkedIn team was very amazing, very supportive. When I logged in, I registered a complaint and they looked into my account and they recovered the account in just one day. So the thing I did was I logged into the LinkedIn and there was a security check. I saw the little puzzle. Then there was a persona test in which I had to prove that I'm a real person. So they took my NIC photos and they will take your front profile and your side profile. No, you are not arrested. It's just their standard procedure. So thank you so much for watching the video. Leave your thoughts in my comments and your love on my like button. And yes, please subscribe. Bye.